Hey guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to get working Minecoin codes for Minecraft completely free for any country in the world. The way this works is that I will show you how to get your own Minecoin codes and how to redeem them on the Minecraft website without having to spend any money at all on it. So let me show you how to do this. To start, grab your mobile device. I recommend doing this on mobile because it's easier, but you can use a PC as well. Now head over to this website, cryoflow.store. This site provides free codes, coupons, and discounts for games, software, and more. It really works. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find the Minecraft Minecoins page. You'll see the option pop up. Just tap on it, and it'll take you to a page where you can claim your code. Now click the Show Coupon button. The site has the code locked, and to unlock the code, you'll need to click on the Unlock Code button. When you click that, it'll begin loading, and once it hits 100%, you'll be asked to complete a security step before the full code is revealed. You'll need to complete 3 simple offers. The offers are usually super easy, like downloading an app and running it for 30 seconds, or playing a quick game to reach a certain level. For example, I had to download, install, and play a game called Travel Town until I reached a specific level. Make sure you follow the steps for each offer carefully. This is super important. The offers may vary based on your location, so don't worry if they look different from mine. After completing 3 offers, go back to the site and your full code will be revealed and ready to redeem on the Minecraft website. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.